Welcome to the Plans module and volume. Click the Plans icon in the left sidebar to open your hub for all plans. Here you'll see your uploaded plans, versions, and tools ready to go. In this video, we're diving into plan upload with Optical Character Recognition, the smart way to autofill plan details like code, title, and scale from your scanned plans. Creating OCR templates. First things first, head to OCR Templates in the Plans section. Click Add New to create one. Pick your project language and give it a clear name, like A1 Architecture. This template tells OCR exactly where to look on your plans. Drag the green box for code, red for title, and blue for scale onto the layout preview. Fine-tune their positions to match your standard plan format. Now it's ready to recognize those details automatically on matching plans. Uploading plans. Jump to plan upload and drop in your files, PDFs, scans, whatever. Once they're processed and ready to publish, select one or more plans, then click the three dots for single plan OCR or check the boxes next to the plans and hit the OCR action. Little tip, OCR works best per paper format, like A1 only, so set up separate templates if needed. When the pop-up appears, choose your template, and boom, OCR kicks off in the background. No waiting around, reviewing OCR results. When it's done, refresh and check your plans. You'll spot the OCR icon next to autofilled fields like title, scale, and code. If anything needs tweaks, just edit right in the plan properties.